Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best faucet website. That faucet website is Litecoin. You can see the Litecoin price is right now is very high, and a lot of you want to earn Litecoin from the website. Okay, if the price going down, just earn much more. If the price going up, just sell it to your free Litecoin. Okay, right now I'm going to share with you that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my ad videos. This is all available videos, and you can earn a lot of money from just working this all website. Okay, let's get started. If you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim your free faucet. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. This is the website link available in description. This much Litecoin pay you every 5 minutes. Okay, and 25 time claim per day and 50% of commission for referral. First, go to deposit, copy your wallet address. This is Litecoin wallet address, copy and come here, paste. Okay, just come down, solve this little caption, and this is very easy. You can earn very easy way. This one is a track. Just click the track, next, and this is the another track. Just click it and click next. Okay, and just solve this capture. This is a 2 6 10 8, and just click this one. Okay, and this is very easy way you can earn. Just click it, and this website pay me this much Litecoin to my Faucet Pay account. This website pay you instantly. Okay, this is the withdrawal. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.